2 methods to fix curved penis and why it is the best technique. If you're wondering why you have a curved penis, then keep on listening. There are thousands of men with this same problem who are trying to find a solution or a cure. But the truth is, if you're born with it, it is unknown for the exact cause of Peyronie's disease, the curvature penis. But it was proven by exams to be a scar tissue. This can also happen when a penis is bent forcefully or hit pretty hard. A bent penis is a problem for many men who are sexually active. You can learn the best way on how to straighten a curved penis without any risky medication or surgery. But is it treatable? Yes. I'll be sincere. There is really none standard treatment for Peyronie's disease. Men had to learn how to live with this pain. Some cases, injected steroids relieve the pain with other medication, but it's shown little success, and it can be a long time to fixing a bent penis on its own. But there is a solution on how to straighten a curved penis. Plus, you are capable of increasing your length. There are 2 techniques that you can use to straighten a bent penis. Heard about penis exercises? Supposedly, these exercises have been around for a long time. But the way these guys used to exercise was by using small ropes and weights. Ouch! This would cause your penis to almost rip off, leaving it scarred. Of course, forward to our day and age, modern time, these penis exercises have improved in so many ways, even on how to straighten a curved penis, showing great results to thousands of men with curved penises and looking to increase penis length. Make sure you take it slow. You don't want to rip something off. You need a time period of 1 to 3 months of consistent exercises. The key here is to dedicate yourself getting into a rhythm, daily. You have to treat it like if you're going to the gym, exercising different parts of your body. Instead, you will learn how to straighten a curved penis by exercising. Penis devices are a new thing for guys right now, but the weird thing about it was invented by a medical scientist 10 years ago to cure Peyronie's disease, curved penis. It did more than cure a curved penis, it also increased the length. It's like winning 2 prizes with 1 quarter. There are a lot of varieties, from gold to steel or plastic. The more of the quality of the penis device, of course, the more expensive it will be. Extenders can go up to $400 to $500, cause it comes with extra parts, like little sponge, rubber bands, and little rods that slowly and safely stretch your penis. But there are also basic low-budget ones that won't drill a hole in your pockets. The really cool thing about this device is it's hands-free on how to straighten a curved penis.